Hey guys, today we're going to be doing the blindfolded slime challenge. So basically you just have to make the slime while you have blindfolds on. And I think this is going to be hard.
About to get started. Sorry, I'm talking on that one.
Doesn't matter if they're all standing up. Alright.
Glitter, glue, and shadow powder.
Wrong
Get
way.
the borax. That's actually borax. It's actually in the game bottle.
Yeah.
No, wait, they need to see us.
Okay, set, go.
You can get your glue first, because we only get one at a time. I'm scared. I don't want you to spill it.
I don't know. Where's my bowl? I don't even know if I'm pouring it in my bowl.
I think you did, because I just fell under your bowl.
Okay, this is my bowl. Is there any glue? Oh, yep, there's glue in it. Okay.
You
I just
touched it?
Yeah, I stuck my finger in it. Now coloring.
I'm scared.
I'm just gonna pick the coloring. Actually, I feel like this is not a good color.
I think blue fell.
Actually, I feel like this is not a good color. Alright, I'm just gonna go with this color.
Color. Where's the colors?
I'm only gonna do one job.
Okay, color.
Where's my fork? Ah, I blindfolded.
One.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know if
I'm gonna mix it for a while. And I go with my finger. Alright, so now, okay.
There we go.
Where's the,
What are you getting?
the borax?
Where's
This is like the most dangerous part. Look, I feel like that was way too
I feel
much.
like that was a lie. I heard it. There we go. I need that.
Borax. I feel like it was on my eye, but it wasn't. Come on, I've recovered. My blindfold group's coming up. Where's it?
Do you hear the shaving foam?
Yes. Let me see it.
Here.
Come on. Ready? Set.
Don't put too much.
I don't know if I did.
I didn't even put that much. I don't think.
I don't think I put that much either.
I wonder what color mine is. Hopefully it's not yellow. Are you keeping your blindfold on?
Yeah, I'm rubbing it because I'm trying to itch my eyes.
My eyes are watering, kind of. Okay, where's the borax? Move. Where? Can you give me the borax?
Okay.
Move.
I think that's it.
Where's the lid at?
I have no idea.
Okay, whatever.
That's how I poured it in.
Without the lid?
Yeah. I'm just gonna go. Oh. This feels so weird.
Ah, move. Ah, it's so heavy. I need to stand up.
I hope we like our colors.
Me too.
Wait, are you up or are you sitting down?
I'm standing up.
Oh.
Because I needed to pour in the... Hopefully there's nothing blocking our faces. I feel like everything's blocking my face.
Me too.
Because I have the gauge and the glue on my side, so I'm trying to scoot over to your side. Sorry if I'm smushing you. Because I know that... Wait, I feel like there's nothing in my bowl. Bro, is there something in
I don't know. My blindfold's on.
There feels like there's nothing in here.
Alright, I'm going both hands. I'm taking it out.
Where's the lid?
Oh. Okay, it's okay.
Whoa, I think I just spilled borax.
Did you?
No.
Did you?
No. I felt it.
See,
there's borax on it.
Oh, I thought you...
Did you hear that? All that borax?
Oh my god,
Lex. What?
It sounded like so much.
I think it is. Oh my god. Give me the glue. Yeah, I need the glue. Do you hear this?
Do you hear that?
Do you hear this?
Oh my god.
What? Can you see it?
No.
Better not.
That sounds...
I'm sitting this borax on the ground so that it's not in my way. Because no one needs it anymore, right?
No.
Ow, my arm. This is way too heavy. Oh, fudge. I almost spilled this.
Whoa, I might have put too much shaving foam.
What? Ooh, slime. Ew, way too wet.
Probably from all that borax that you added.
I cannot do this. It's way. I can't believe I added so much borax. Thought this was gonna be way easier. Whoa, my gosh, this is wet. Ew. I didn't touch it, but like,
What?
Gross.
Take it out.
I can't, it's like way too wet. I really feel like it's like yellow. But I don't want it to be yellow. What color do you want yours to be?
Blue.
I want mine to be red. But if it is red, I think I added a lot of food coloring because I kind of squeezed the bottle like hard.
Let's see.
I need to add like a lot of glue because I added way too much. I need to make sure the glue's coming out so my hand's in here right now. Ow, ow, ow. What? Ew, I hate this. Can I like go to the sink with my blindfold on and like pour out all this water?
No.
Can I restart?
No.
You're stuck.
A few moments later.
Ready?
Set. Go.
Mine was actually red. Or was it pink?
Pink's right there. I think it was because pink was over here.
But red's right here. Yeah, it was red, but I swear I did. Yours is red too. Yeah, so comment down below if anything
Who
won.
I think won this challenge.
I definitely think mine won because it's really stretchy. See, like, look at this. It's way more stretchier than yours. What?
I think mine won because you can actually hold it without getting your hand disgusting.
Movie all over my hand. Bye. Off. I forgot to film my outro, but yeah, the girl I was filming with was Stephanie. And comment down below what videos you think we should do. And since you're this far into the video, make sure you like, subscribe,